Another important formula here is again a two set of two. First is sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Just same like as a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. But here, similarly like this, a plus b, a minus b. But we have to add here sine function. So sin a plus b into sin a minus b, right? And another one, cos a plus b, cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b. In sine both are sine, but in cos square a minus second angle is sin square b, right? So we do first formula. First is sine, we are taking left hand side for first. So left hand side is sine a plus b into sine a minus b. You have one formula, sine a plus b, sine a minus b. You have set of four formulas. So applying sine a plus b and sine a minus b formula here. First sine a plus b, right? So sine a plus b is sine a cos b and plus then plus cos a sine b. This is the formula. And sine a minus b is minus, then this is minus, otherwise same term, right? So applying both formula here, this is sine a cos b plus for this cos a sine b. Cos a sine b. This is the answer. Now sine a minus b. So sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. This is the answer. A plus b, a minus b. So you will get a square minus b square clearly. So you will be get either you can multiply, but this is a plus b, this is a minus b. So clearly a square minus b square, that is sine a cos b whole square. I am writing this, not writing both function is square, right? Minus cos a sine b whole square. Now applying exponential rule, that is sine a into sine b, that is ab whole square is a square b square. So this is sine square a. So this is sine square a cos square b minus cos square a sine square b, right? Now we need sine square a and sine square b. So we need sine square a and sine square b. So we don't need this cos square b and sine square cos square a. So changing this cos square into 1 minus sine square. So this is sine square a into 1 minus sine square b minus cos square a means 1 minus sine square a into sine square b. Now multiplying this, what we get? This is sine square a minus sine square a into sine square b, right? Minus multiplying this sine square b. So sine square b and minus minus plus sine square a sine square b. So this will be cut. So remaining will be your answer, that is sine square a minus sine square b. So this is your first formula, sine square a minus sine square b. Now if you want to second formula, then from here you can write instead of this. So another way, or, right? So now you need cos square b and cos square a, cos square b minus cos square a. So हमको ये नहीं चाहिए साइन स्क्वायर और साइन स्क्वायर भी, तो इसको इसकी तरफ है, राइट? क्या करेंगे? चेंज इनटू cos. So this, if we change this into cos, you will get this formula. So that is for your practice, right? Now change sin square is 1 minus cos square. So write down here 1 minus cos square. This is cos square b as it is, right? So keep this cos square b and cos square a as it is. Change this into cos. You will, after simplifying, you will get this formula, cos square b minus cos square a. Now this formula, second one. So second one formula for that left hand side is cos A plus B, cos A minus B. So cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Now this is the formula of sine. Now this is for application of cos. So cos A plus B is formula cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now you know very well this formula, right? Memorize हो गया है आपको. Now if minus is here, then this is plus. So applying this formula, what we get? Cos A cos B plus then minus sin A sin B, and this is cos A minus B is cos A cos B and plus sin A sin B. Again A minus B, A plus B क्या होता है? A square minus B square. So square of this minus square of this. So this is cos A cos B whole square minus sin A sin B whole square. Right? So answer of this will be cos square A into cos square B minus sin square A into sin square B. Similarly, what we did here, you have to apply here. So what you require, suppose you require cos square A, then cos square A is this and sin square B is this. So you don't need this. So change this cos into sin and this sin into cos. You will get your answer, right? So changing this cos square A. Now changing cos into sin, 1 minus sin square B minus this is 1 minus cos square A and this is sin square B. So after multiplying this, we will get cos square A minus cos square A sin square B minus 1 minus 1 into sin square. So minus sin square B and this is minus minus plus cos square A into sin square B. So this will be cut. So your answer will be cos square A minus sin square B. So this is your right hand side, that what you want to prove, that is first right hand side, this is proved, right? And here is also this is your first right hand side that you want to prove, that is proved. Now for second, you require cos square B minus sin square A, means this cross term you require and this underline term you don't require. So what you have to do? Or from here, or right, change this cos square, sorry, keep this, you require this cos square B and sin square A, so change this cos square to 1 minus sin square, so like this 1 minus sin square A into cos square B minus, change this sin square into 1 minus cos square A and this sin square B remain as it is. Multiply, simplify, you will get your answer, this one, right? So this is two important formula, same as your formula in A square minus B square, A minus B, A plus B. So this is same as the same formula, but here functions are sine and cos. So sine A plus B, sine A minus B, sine A plus B, sine A minus B is sine square A minus sine square B. And if you want cos, then reverse this. Okay, so cos square B minus sine square A. So also remember this thing. See, sine square A minus sine square B. If you want answering cos, then simply you can replace this sign by cos, that is changing 1 minus cos square A. So you can write like this also, 1 minus cos square A minus here 1 minus cos square B. Right? So now this 1 will be cut. So answer minus minus plus. So cos square B minus cos square A. So remember, you want answer in sine, from cos, then write this last angle first and first positive angle last. Means positive angle become negative and negative become positive if you want in sine. From sine to cos, write this second angle minus to positive, first to negative, right? So you can write directly, right? And this idea, this shortcut method is useful for this, because you have a problem to remember this memorize formula cos a plus b cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b, then convert in sine using this rule. Okay, so we'll get easily answer. Now sum sin square 5a minus sin square 3a is equal to sin 8a into sin 2a. We have to prove this, right? So taking left hand side is given sin square 5a minus sin square 3a. Now this is sin square a minus sin square b. So your formula sin square a minus sin square b is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. This is the formula we learn, right? Sin square a minus sin square b is sin a plus b sin a minus b, right? So applying this formula, sin square 5a, so a is 5a and b is 3a. So we get sin a plus b, that is 5a plus 3a into sin 5a minus 3a, right? So this will be sin 5 plus 3, 8a, and sin 5 minus 3, that is 2. So sin 2a, and this is your right hand side. Hai na easy? Huh? So what we did, we apply simple formula. So if you know formula, everything is very easy in trigonometry. So memorize, remember all formulas. That's why मैंने आपको बोला है कि नोटबुक में टॉप मार्जिन पे जब भी नया पेज आता है, आप जो फॉर्मूला सॉल्व कर रहे हैं क्वेश्चंस, उसके लिए रिलेटेड फॉर्मूला है वो उसका लिस्ट बना के रखो, लिखते जाओ साथ में, राइट? सो दिस इज योर राइट हैंड साइड, राइट? सो दिस इज प्रूफ. नाउ instead of this sin square, suppose cos, then what happen? Extra example, suppose I am taking instead of sin, here is cos, then cos square 5a minus sin square 3a, then what happen? Now this is cos square a minus sin square b, that is cos a plus b, cos a minus b is the formula, right? So cos square a minus sin square b, formula is cos a plus b into cos a minus b is cos square a minus sin square b. So applying this formula here, what we get? This is cos a plus b, that is 5 plus 3. So 5a plus 3a, and cos a minus b is 5a minus 3a. So your answer will be cos 8a into cos twice a. Answer will be cos 8a into twice a, right? Now similarly another example here. Prove that sin square pi by 8 plus a by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus a by 2 is equal to 1 upon root 2 sin a. So same example, instead of 5a it's given pi by 8 plus a by 2, and here pi by 8 minus a by 2 instead of b, that is 3a given. So applying same formula here, if we simplify, left hand side is sin square pi by 8 plus a by 2 minus sin square pi by 8 minus a by 2. So what we get? Sin square a minus sin square b formula, same formula. Answer is sin a plus b and a minus b. So answer will be sine A, that is pi by 8 plus A by 2 plus B, that is pi by 8 minus A by 2, right? Sine A plus B. Now sine A minus B. So this is sine A is pi by 8 plus A by 2 minus pi by 8 minus A by 2. So final answer will be sine. Simplifying this, A by 2 will cancel. So we will get 2 times pi by 8. So 2 times pi by 8, right? Into sine. Here pi by 8 will cancel, and 2 times A by 2, this is minus minus plus. So sine 2 times A by 2. So this is equal to sine pi by 4, because this will cut, we will get 4 here, and this is sine A, 2 will cut. Now sine pi by 4, 45, 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 upon root 2 into sine A, that is your right hand side, and hence this is proof. This is proof, right? Now instead of this, here is suppose cos x, extra question. Instead of this, cos square pi by 8, right, plus A by 2 minus sine square pi by 8 minus A by 2. Then again answer will be same, 1 upon root 2 sine A. Answer will be 1 upon root 2 sine A, that you have to prove, right? So prove yourself this answer, 1 upon root 2 sine A, right? So this is a homework for you. So this is homework. So do it yourself, okay? Another question, find the value. Sine square 37.5 degree minus sine square 7.5 degree. So we have one formula, sine square A minus sine square B formula is applicable here. So we have formula sine square A minus sine square B, that is sine A plus B into sine A minus B. So sine A plus B into sine A minus B, this is the formula which we have to apply here, right? So applying this formula, we get sine A plus B, that is 37 and 7.5 we have to add and subtract, right? So answer will be sine 37.5 degree plus 7.5 degree, adding into sine, subtraction of this is 37.5 degree minus 7.5 degree. Adding this 37.5 plus half, 38, 38 plus 7, 45. So this is sine 45 degree into sine, this is 37.5 minus 7.5, that is 30 degree. So this is sine 30 degree. Now sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 upon root 2, and sine 30 is 1 upon 2. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. So this is your answer, 1 upon 2 root 2. But never keep root 2 in denominator. So always you have to rationalize. So rationalizing this, 1 upon 2 root 2. That means divide and multiply by root 2. So divide and multiply by root 2. Answer will be root 2 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2, and this is 2. So answer is root 2 by 4. So either this is your correct answer, either this. So in MCQ you have to go according to given in option, right? So this is your answer. Now second, sine square 52.5 degree minus cos square 7.5 degree. Sine square 52 and cos square. So there is no formula for sine square A minus cos square B, but there is a formula for cos square A minus sine square B. You have one formula, cos square A minus sine square B. Then answer will be cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So this is your formula, right? So for that we want cos first. So cos is here. So taking minus common for this, right? So taking minus common, this is equal to minus. This is cos square 7.5 degree. 7.5 degree minus sine square 52.5 degree. Sine square 52.5 degree. So cos square A minus sine square B. Now this is cos square A minus sine square B means minus. Now for applying formula cos A plus B into cos A minus B. So sum of this plus this and sum of subtraction of this, right? So answer will be cos A plus B, that is 7.5 degree plus 52.5 degree, right? This is cos A plus B, and cos A minus B is cos. I am not writing this bracket, it is congested. Okay, no need to write because minus is outside. So cos, this is 7.5 degree minus 52.5 degree. Minus 52.5 degree. So this is 52.5 plus half, 53 and 7, 60. So answer is minus cos 60 degree into cos. This is 45 but minus. So minus 45 degree. Now cos is even function or odd function? Even function. So cos minus theta is cos theta. So answer will be minus cos 60 into cos 45 because cos is even function. So cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now cos 60, that is half, and cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So either this is your answer, either rationalizing by multiplying root 2 and divide by root 2, your answer will be minus root 2 times root 2 upon 2 into root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So this is your answer. Got it? Now another example. Cos square 37.5 degree minus sin square 37.5 degree. So same formula, cos square A minus sin square B. So applying this formula, what we get here? So this is cos 37.5 degree plus 37.5 degree, right, into cos A minus B, that is 37.5 degree minus 37.5 degree. Got it? Now 37, 37, 74, half plus half, 1. So 75. So this is cos 75 degree into cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree. This will be cut. So answer is 0 degree. Cos 75. We learn formula. Cos 75 means sin 15. And sin 15 is root 6 minus root 2 by 4, that you know, right? So cos 75, that is sin 15, and sin 15 is root 6 minus root 2 by 4. Suppose you forget, आप भूल गए तो क्या करेंगे? कोई बात नहीं, 35 right now like this, sin 45 minus 30 is sin 15, and derive yourself if you forget, but never lose the marks. Okay, marks नहीं जाना चाहिए. आपको नहीं पता है, you are not sure is minus or plus there, then you have to derive sin 45, right? Now apply sin A minus B formula. Sin A, that is 1 upon root 2, cos 30, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, minus sin, then cos 45, 1 upon root 2, and sin 30 is 1 upon 2. So within 20 seconds you will verify your answer. So this is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. Now you have confusion for minus or plus. Here is minus, so your answer will be minus. Confirm. So root 6 minus root 2 by root 6 minus root 2 by 4 is your answer. So cos 75 is equal to, right? So you will get the idea how to solve, how to get the answer for correct answer, right? इफ यू फॉरगेट, डिराइव योरसेल्फ, राइट। इसलिए मैंने आपको फॉर्मूला डायरेक्ट दिया नहीं है, आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है कैसे फाइंड करना है, तो आप इजीली फाइंड कर सकते हैं। इफ यू हैव सम कंफ्यूजन, आपको कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गया, कंफ्यूजन हो गया, माइनस लेना है कि प्लस लेना है, तो आप ऐसे डिराइव कर लो, आंसर आ जाएगा विद इन 1 सेकेंड, राइट। 1 मार्क्स की वैल्यू बहुत बड़ी होती है, सो इजीली नहीं जाना चाहिए, राइट। नाउ cos 75 is this, that is √6 minus √2 by 4, and cos 0 is 1. So your final answer will be √6 minus √2 by 4. That is your final answer, right? तो मैं आपको ऐसा 2-3 एग्जाम्पल होमवर्क में भी देता हूँ, ओके। सो आप ये लिख लीजिए। So these are the questions which you have to do yourself. So do it yourself, homework, right? Do it yourself, okay? And if you have some problem, any problem, then contact me directly, okay? But you have to practice, right? Otherwise you are not able to remember the formula. If you apply formula frequently, then you are able to remember formula very well, okay? So आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, तो प्रैक्टिस के लिए इतना एग्जाम्पल दिया है, तो ये 5 एग्जाम्पल आप घर पे प्रैक्टिस कीजिए।